In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted or voided entries in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes a transaction gets deleted or voided by accident, or you just need to look back and see what happened to something that's no longer in your books. QuickBooks Online keeps a record of these changes in a feature called the audit log, and that's exactly what we'll use in this walkthrough. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to your main dashboard. Look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the main settings menu in QuickBooks. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps a lot of your tools and preferences, so it's good to get familiar with it. When the menu opens, look for the column labeled Tools. Under that Tools column, click on Audit Log. The audit log is where QuickBooks records almost every change made in your company file. Who did it, when it was done, and what was changed. This includes deleted and voided transactions. Once the audit log page loads, you'll see a list of activities, but right now it may be showing all sorts of events. To narrow this down, click the Filter button near the top of the page. Filtering helps you avoid scrolling through a long list and lets you focus only on deleted or voided entries. In the Filter panel that appears, find the Events drop-down menu. Click that, and from the list of options, choose Deleted Voided Transactions. This tells QuickBooks that you only want to see activities where a transaction was deleted or voided. After you've selected Deleted Voided Transactions, click Apply. The page will refresh and now you'll see a list that's limited to just those deleted or voided items. Each line represents a specific transaction and the change that was made. Next, scan through the list and find the transaction you want to review. Once you've found it, look across that row for the History column. Under History, click View. This opens the detailed history for that specific transaction. Here, you'll see all the information QuickBooks has recorded, what kind of transaction it was, key details like dates and amounts, and exactly how it was changed or removed. If you decide you need that transaction back, remember that QuickBooks doesn't have a one-click restore for deleted entries. To bring it back, click the plus new button at the top of your screen, then manually re-enter the transaction using the details shown in the audit log as your reference. This way, you can accurately recreate what was removed.